Magganchilyo ta. Welcome to another video, another tutorial for you. It's me, Kate. But if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell below for you to get notified to my next tutorial. In this video, I will show to you how to crochet this bandana. And you can also crochet for your fur baby with the same pattern. By the way, I am using 4-ply milk cotton yarn and 4.5mm hook. So tara, mag-anchilyo na ta. We will make first a magic ring. And this is how I make a magic ring. Then grab your hook and slip stitch into your magic ring. Next is chain 3. Yarn over, pull through. Please repeat until you will have 3 chains. To your magic ring, put 3 double crochet. To double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into your magic ring. Then yarn over, pull up a loop. And there are 3 loops in your hook. Next is yarn over, pull through into 2 loops only in your hook. Last is yarn over, pull through into 2 loops left in your hook. By the way, our 3 chains serve as our first double crochet. So now please add 1 double crochet. Next is chain 2, then 3 double crochet again into your magic ring. After 3 double crochet, please pull your yarn tail to close the magic ring. Here, I want you to remember in chain 2 space, put 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet because it is serve as the center of our bandana. We will always start our row with chain 3. After chain 3, which serve as our first double crochet, flip your work and put 2 double crochet into the first stitch. Every after 3 double crochet, chain 1. And now let's proceed to the center of our bandana, which we will put 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. Please always remember to put 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet into the chain 2 space in every row. After the center, chain 1 and 3 double crochet into the third chain from your last row. And this is what it looks like now after row 2. When we add more rows, it will be bigger. To start the next row, chain 3, flip your work and put 2 double crochet into the very first stitch. After 3 double crochet, chain 1 and put 3 double crochet into the chain 1 space. Please remember, in between 3 double crochet, don't forget to chain 1, but except in the center of the bandana, which you will do chain 2. So now do the center of the bandana, which will put 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. After the center, don't forget to chain 1 and put 3 double crochet into the chain 1 space. In every row, put 3 double crochet in every chain 1 space. Then chain 1 and you will always end your row with 3 double crochet into the third chain from your previous row. Please just continue, add more row in your bandana based on the size that you want. But for me, I did 12 rows. And for our fur baby, her name is Sky. Sky's bandana had only 6 rows. Please don't forget to put 3 double crochet into every chain 1 space, and into the center, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, until you will have your desired size of your bandana, and I will meet you back again. This is the last double crochet of my bandana, chain 1 and cut your yarn. We will do next is the tie of our bandana. slip knot first and 60 chains. After 60 chains, grab your bandana and we will make single crochet. To single crochet, insert your hook into the stitch. Yarn over, pull up a loop. There will be 2 loops in your hook. Yarn over, pull through in 2 loops in your hook. Add more 1 single crochet into the same stitch. So we will put 2 single crochet in every stitch. Please continue, put 2 single crochet in every stitch until to the last stitch, and I will meet you back again. After 2 single crochet in your last stitch, make 60 chains. After 60 chains, cut your yarn. Finally, our bandana is done and I hope you made your own, and also for your fur baby. I hope you have fun crocheting with me as well as you learn something from me. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. That's all for today. Good day. God bless us all. See you in my next tutorial.